Hi Bruce, my name's Caitlin from Next Level SEO OKC. I'm reaching out to you because you did comment on my post on Facebook for the Home Inspectors group. So I wanted to go through a few things with you about your website to bring you some more traffic. First thing we'll talk about is content, and then backlinks and citations. We'll also go through your immediate competitor's website, as well as how important it is to have some real estate on Google. So first thing is content, and when I'm talking about content, I mean all of this information about you, your business, and your services. Google really likes for websites to have anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words on their homepage. And then these other areas should have 500 to 750 words. The reason that is Google will just kind of feed through your website and find who is the expert in this field in your area. And so they really want, like I said, 1,500 words, and you have about 200 words. Next, we'll talk about this little program I use called Ahrefs. It's Ahrefs, and you can get this if you'd like and use it. So right here, you want to look at domain rating, and that is really just the rating that your website has and really how much power is driven to your website for customers. So we don't have a rating right now. You really want to get that number pretty high. You also have one backlink and one referring domain. Backlinks are links on other people's websites, so other people's referring domains, and it refers back to your website. So if someone's reading a blog, an article, or a post, they might be reading about home inspection or buying a new home. They'll click a link and it comes back to your website so customers call you. You really want this in the thousands, and you want these domains in the hundreds. And then organic keywords, you don't have any right here, so we'll kind of go through what that is so that we can get you some organic keywords on your content. Next, we'll talk about Google. So with Google, I just typed in Home Inspection Virginia, and this right here is what we call a Google Map Pack. And I'm sure you've seen this if you're looking for restaurants or maybe where to get your hair done, you'll see a Google Map Pack. What you do is you get a Google account, put your business information in. They send you a postcard with a code. You put that code into your Google account, and now you've created a Google My Business page or Google My Business account. Once you do that, then you can add a lot of information on other sites, and I'll show you what those are in a moment. But that really puts this ranking up. From there, you can have a directions, website, and phone number tab. You really want all three because then you will have about 90% more customers call you just because they can get to you from 1 to 3 clicks and actually talk to someone about what their needs and the services that they're needing right then. The next part is going to be the organic listing. And organic listing has to do with your website, your content, backlinks, and keywords that we just talked about. And so right here, you're going to have licensing, you're going to have Home Advisor, Yelp, all of those here. You want to find the first area that has a real business. So I clicked onto that first one, and this is their website, Virginia Home Inspection. They have a very simple website, not good at all. You really could beat them out with their website layout if we added some things to yours. And they only have 228 words on their website, so you really could beat them there. As far as their back look at their website, they have a rating of 5. They have 56 backlinks on 16 different websites. So that's drawing them a little bit of power. They do, however, where they're getting most of their power, I believe, is they have 313 organic words. So Home Inspection in VA pulls 150 people each month onto their website, or 150 people search. From there, they get 18 people going to their website and calling them for their services specifically. KD is going to be your keyword difficulty, and you really want to hit some keywords that are high volume, low KD. And that the reason being is that means a lot of people are searching, but not a lot of other businesses are targeting or using these keywords. You really want that between 0 and 5. And then position is the position that you fall on Google. And so that has to do with, you want this to start off 1 through 10, and you want to really get those positions 1 through 3. And that's kind of where I pulled them, was they were that first position for some of these keywords. Next, I'll talk about citations. So citations is really how you get into this top part. You get a Google My Business account, and then you start entering NAPs into other websites, which are simply your name, address, and phone number. Once you do that, you're entering them into websites that are essentially online web or white pages. And when you do that, you create a citation. So you guys have 9 citations, and it looks like Virginia Home Inspection has 23. Those are both pretty low. So when clients are with me for 6 months, they have anywhere from 350 citations to 500. The more you have, the more powerful ones you have, the better off you will get customers, the more influx of customers you'll have. So I know that was a lot of information. Thank you for commenting on my post on Facebook. If you have any questions or if I can be any help, I really would love to add value to your business. Please give me a call at 405-627-2693 or an email at caitlin@nextlevelseo-okc.com. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.